my wonderful years. One of my pets' memory is that when they brought me to life in the state of Puebla. Here we don't have relatives and such other than my dad. But on one occasion, my cousin on my mother's side coming to visit us, and it was very nice because we went to the countryside to break corn, and then and home my parents made a meal to celebrate, and in the afternoon my cousin my swing in the tree stand. They are they are in the backyard of the house, and at night as in other times we made a fire and roasted chocolates is one of the most beautiful memories on my childhood because we always lived with them when alive in Veracruz.